By 2050, two-thirds part of the population will live in cities. And when that happens, you need mass transit, metro elements, and also railways.
Invensys Rail Dimetronic is the leading company within Spain focused only in signaling systems for mainline trains and mass transit.
Each of the trains are running at a very high speed, 300 kilometers per hour.
The major driver for our business is safety. We have to make sure that if anything goes wrong for whatever reason, we are able to stop the train. The type of equipments that we design and we develop are those that are required for moving a lot of people in a very short period of time.
The main element of the ERTMS Level 1 is called valise. There are yellow boxes that are located at a fixed location in the track. The RBC, Radio Block Center, is the core product of the Level 2 system. Its main function is to send information to the train in the moment that a change happens in the track.
It can be a good example to compare with the air traffic control. So signaling is all about that. It's knowing where the trains are, giving the information where they can move, assuring that everything is regular, and avoiding any incident. The software, I would say, is like the invisible thread that is connecting all the different elements in the signaling from the control center, the track, the train.
For software development companies, the most important thing is to be fast and accurate, especially in our sector.
ERTMS means European Rail Traffic Management System. There was up to 15 different signaling systems in Europe, and now the idea is to have just one that can operate all across Europe.
We have grown globally, so we need a system to enter the requirements and to follow these requirements to give the same services as we did before, always close to the client needs.
One of the major benefits of using IBM Rational tools is that we receive an integrated set of tools. And with this new set, we can be sure that what we do at the highest levels are perfectly integrated with the lowest levels. We can also be sure that what we do at one stage can be checked at the next level.
The main improvement of having a common database is that the people have real access in real time to the information.
You can imagine handling approximately 1 million lines of code is not a trivial task, especially because these million lines of code are not handled by a single team.
With synergy and change, we are able to get very accurate and personalized reports of the state of the project.
With the IBM Rational tools, we were able to link directly the requirements into the code. This integration is warranted through Doors and Rhapsody. The reductions in terms of time is very important in some of the more tedious tasks. For example, traceability. Traceability in the past is something that we did manually. Now, with the use of Doors, we can reduce up to 40%, and you can use those people that before you had to dedicate to this tedious task. That means that we can be more concentrated on safety.
We are seeing how the industry is going every year faster and faster, innovating and finding new ways of doing things. I think that the railway is going to be, I would say, the transport media for the 21st century, clearly.
Invensys engineers are dedicated to what they do best, which is designing the signaling system for the future. With the help of IBM tools, we are doing our work in a smarter way.
Software is definitely changing the world.